So I'm Kai from CrossFit Linden Hills. We're gonna talk about the GHD today, talk about setting it up, how to use it properly, how to prevent injuries, and how to work into it. It's a really great equipment that can work your core, but if you don't use it properly, you can potentially injure yourself. So to get started off, a few different setups. You can adjust the height of the foot position by bringing it up or down a little bit with this knob right here. Otherwise, you can bring it forward or backwards with the knob on the back as well. As you're setting up, you want to be able to set up so that your legs are pretty much straight. You don't want them down or way up. Straight, but then you want your hips to be slightly off the back of the pads. All right, so as you're setting up. So once you're here, you want to start up with your legs slightly bent. As you're coming down, reaching all the way down as far as you can. Have the ball set up here right now, so if you need a shorter target, you don't have to go all the way to the ground. Extending your legs as you come all the way up, making sure you get to your toes, right? So at speed, it should look something like this. And so that would be the regular, I guess you could say RX, or go in the full range of motion for this movement. A little bit of a scaling option, or especially if you're just starting out, a better option is to just go parallel and then coming back up. Parallel and coming back up, right? And so what that's gonna do is gonna allow your core to build up strength, because you're gonna feel probably the next day, especially if you've never used this machine, your abs are gonna be really, really sore. And it's something we kind of want to avoid, overtraining those abs. So do probably about 3 sets of 20, 3 sets of 25. If you can accomplish that and the next day you're feeling okay, you probably still feel sore, and that's okay. But the next time you train it, you might be able to go a little bit lower and continue to improve that motion.